So that kind of goes into my next question is, can the love for our reality, like just loving what's happening in our life right now, delay manifestations because we're really focused on what's in the now? Um,
I think it would do
or
the opposite.
it wouldn't matter?
I think it would allow more in. So remember, the speed at which things manifest relates to your level of resistance. So the more non-resistant you are, the greater the speed at things are going to show up. So the more you're in that state of pleasure, the more you're loving your reality, the more you're a vibrational match to a reality that you love. So the more your reality is going to mirror that experience. So I would say loving your reality and being in that state of pleasure is the key. And even on the last Abraham Hicks cruise, somebody asked, what's the key to enlightenment? What's the key to mastering manifestation? And her response was literally the word pleasure. So yeah, and I like pleasure more than joy. It's because joy feels less tangible. So like pleasure is something like a physical, tangible experience. So I like telling people to reach for pleasure and pleasurable experiences rather than just reaching for joy.